Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your name in Google Meet. So if you just recently created an account on Google Meet and you log in with your Gmail, you'll notice that you are stuck with the name that is your Gmail account name. You can't make your own custom name on Google Meet. So I'm going to show you guys how to change your name today. It's really easy. So you just want to open up your Google Meet app and click on the three lines in the top left, and then you want to click on your email there and click manage your account. And then you want to go over to personal info. And then I just put my name to test right now, just to show you guys where to change it. So I want to go in here and change your name, just like I am right here, just like that, and click save. Now it might take a little bit to change completely, probably about an hour or so, but you'll notice mine just changed right there that quickly. And that's how you do it. So I hope I was able to help you guys out today. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.